The next three tabs are included with your purchase of EMS Plus. If you do not need all of these features that we're about to talk about, you could just choose to purchase our standard level of EMS and get all of these features we just covered. It is important to note that EMS Plus includes everything we just covered and the tabs I'm going to cover on internet metering, applications metering, and software distribution. The internet metering tab is where we are right now, and this tab will enable you to monitor, control, and report on internet use. One thing that is important to note is that in order for the URL blocking feature to work, you will have to deploy the EMS client with LSP enabled on all the clients you wish to restrict web usage. And I'll show you how that's done by clicking Tools, Client Discovery and Deploy, Add, Deploy by IP address range, select a client, deploy, start, put the specific IP address of your EMS server. This is a configuration option for your client, so that client will talk back to the proper server, and you'll want to check this box if you want to enable the internet filtering options. Moving right along into the internet metering settings, I'd be happy to show you that by clicking internet metering settings, we've got a list of available sites, which are sites that have been visited by any of the machines in the hierarchy tree, and I've approved and restricted certain sites over here, and it's very easy to approve or restrict sites. And you can also apply a very flexible time restriction policy to your internet filtering settings by clicking Edit, Settings, selecting Internet, and enable internet metering. You can block restricted sites during certain times of the day, and you can change this redirection, but by default it will redirect to a CrossTec website which has a padlock on it and says restricted by EMS. But there's various options. There's 4 options for blocking internet metering. You can have unrestricted access, block restricted sites only, approve sites only, and block all sites. It's a very powerful part of EMS, and many products out there solely focus on the internet filtering part, whereas this is just one of the options inside EMS. You can see you get a lot for your money here.